In this lead generation mastery course, we are going to have a look at both B2B and B2C lead generation. And when we are talking about B2B lead generation, we are not talking about the extreme right end of the spectrum where we are looking at enterprise lead generation. And usually, very big enterprises, when they want to generate leads of big businesses, they don't need to hunt for names and email IDs. It's usually obvious who is the target customer and they can reach out to them directly. And there are a number of methods to reach out to people, such as meeting them in conferences, trade shows, events, and things like that. So what we are going to do is that we are going to put our marker somewhere around 75 to 80% distance from the left of the spectrum when it comes to price of the product or service. So we are not talking about B2C here, we are talking about B2B. And here in this case, the lead generation is going to be focused in such a way that the customer is looking for a product or service, and you have to reach out to them. For example, if you think about agencies, or if you think about digital marketing agencies who want to provide services to other businesses, we need to go ahead and try to find the names and email IDs of people who might be interested in our service, and then we are going to reach out to them. In such cases, having a landing page and having a funnel usually does not work, because decision makers such as CEOs and managers are not filling forms online. That works well for B2C, and in B2B, certain cases, such as if you are selling a software, then it's going to work very well, because there is going to be a free trial, and the free trial of the software itself becomes a lead generation engine, which we are going to talk about in the future videos in this course. So now let's assume that you are a freelancer or a digital marketing agency looking for potential customers who might want to work with you. In such cases, you are going to reach out to them. And when we talk about B2B lead generation concepts, it can also work for B2C in certain contexts, especially when the business is at the early stages. So if you are a B2C business and if you are just getting started, it would not hurt to reach out to potential customers directly, because you have not even got the product market fit yet. If you want the product market fit, then you need to reach out to people before you can build a marketing funnel. And when we talk about B2C lead generation techniques, it can also apply to B2B lead generation at scale. Let's assume that you are a 5-year-old agency and you are generating lot of leads to your business. And if you have a lot of reputation and a brand in the market already, then even decision makers might enter your marketing funnel. So right now what we are going to do is that we are going to keep the marketing funnel for B2C, which is the later part of this course, and we are going to look at B2B lead generation. But I want you to understand that B2B lead generation techniques can also be applied for B2C in the early stages of the business, and B2C lead generation techniques can be applied for B2B in the later stages of the business. So I hope the distinction is clear. So now in the B2B module, what we are going to look at is that we are going to look at different tools that will help you find the contact details and that will help you generate leads. And we are also going to look at different tools that will help you reach out to these people and probably send them a mail, probably send them follow-up emails until they reply. And when they reply, they become an interested lead for our business. And then we can take the conversation forward. So we are going to have a look at bunch of tools, and I'm also going to show you some live campaigns that I have run myself for B2B lead generation. And we will also discuss about what kind of emails we can send and how we can customize these emails and get the prospect interested in what we have to offer. So let's get started with this module, and I will see you in the next video right now.